I've got my FabFitFun second customized box. So if you want to see what I chose and hear a little bit of a review of the items, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit and Dexter are all off in the other room. My mom's cooking, so Bandit probably won't come tearing down here because there is food to be begged for. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, beauty hauls, fashion hauls, all that kind of stuff. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free to subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. We so appreciate all your support. So I love FabFitFun. I have 2 accounts so I can customize 2 boxes. And I thought they had some really neat winter items. So I am loving a lot of what I got. My first box that you saw was customized as a cozy box, and I think this is more, well, it might just be random. I don't remember if it was like in the kitchen because I picked some kitchen items, or if it's just kind of more of a random. I'll figure it out as I do it. I have like an idea in my mind, but then I'm like, well, these are the things I really want though. So let's get into this and see. So you open the box up, and as I said in my earlier videos, listen, I like Color Wow, but it's just a big ad for Color Wow. All right, so it's a little bit around the house and a little bit of beauty. That's what we'll say this one is. So do I remember what category things were from? I do not, but we're going to go over them, and I'll put the category and the MSRP in this empty space over here. All right, this definitely was not category 1, but I did get the Yummy Shaperwear. Now this came in different sizes, but they were only available in black. I got the medium large. Ooh, those look tiny. I guess that'll really hold you in. So you will see these on in my next Wannable Stitch Fix video. You won't see them, but I'll tell you about them. Then we have by House Labs. This is the Lady Gaga brand. We have, I believe this was a lip, is it not lip oil? It is a PhD hybrid lip glaze, and this is in the shade Macaron. And I've been so very pleased with the other products I've had from this brand. So I said, well, let me give that a try. Now, do I need another lippy in the shade? I don't. All right, so there is the applicator. Oh, this is like a very clear pink. So very clear with just a little pink tint. Next, by Foreo, I have the, oh wait a minute, there's more to this. Okay, so this was a luxe choice. This was the Foreo UFO Mini Pearl Pink. It's a face cleansing device. And I don't know, I've never gotten one, but I've heard such good things. So here it is, and it says it's LED thermo activated smart mask. And then, so this isn't the cleanser, this is for the face creams. And then it came with this Call It a Night mask, replenishing ginseng and olive oil. So you have 7 of these packets, and I think it's liquid in here. All right, I'll be right there. So excited to give that a try. I'll film it for you guys. You get my honest first impressions. From Patrick Ta, I got the other set in my other box, but you couldn't put on both sets because it was extra. So this is the Major Volume Plumping Gloss Duo, and we have 2 shades in here. And this is in For the Girls and Unavailable. So now these are a gloss, so they were kind of clear the last time. That one just has a little bit of a pink tint. That's over here. And then the unavailable. And that's just a little bit darker, but not dark at all. So perfect for me. That's kind of my everyday look. I'm going to put it on and tell you if it stings. So my first impression, I really like this wand because it really does a good job of covering. And I got a little bit on my tongue. That stings, but almost more like an intense cinnamon. All right, I'll let you guys know if I feel anything. By Ririku, I have a set of 3 ceramic bowls, and I thought these were just adorable. So they're all the same size, but just such a pretty glaze. See, and they're all the same. And then from Roundhouse, which this might have been category 1. Isn't that cute? So it's a nice square baking pan, and it's got this adorable Christmas design, and that is definitely getting some use this Christmas. All right, so I added on a few things, and so let me just go over those. By Origins, I have the Youthopia Peptide Plumping Apple Cream, and I really like Youthopia. I mean, Origins, I like their Youthopia line, so I said, well, let's give it a try. By Dr. Dennis Gross, I got the Plump and Repair Lip Treatment. It says 3D Visible Plump and Repair. It is new, and I do like the Dr. Dennis Gross line, so I thought I would enjoy this. So we will do a little video review of that. And then the third thing that I added on was the Future Society Floating Forest spray. I went back and forth because it has a more woodsy scent, but in the end, I decided to get it. I think this had like a $98 value. Oh, I like this. It does dry down a little more musky, but not in an overwhelming way. So this is a ode to the origin flower of Sharia cuspidata, which was last recorded in Borneo in 1998. It became extinct by logging, and it was scent-selected on 10/31/2017. It doesn't have the other scent notes, but it's very light. Very light. I have to put the scent notes up there, but it almost has like a freshness to it, like a crispness. All right, and then I did get the Homesick candle. So this is a mystery candle, and the scent is, this one is housewarming. That's weird. I don't know that I like that. I think this is going to be gifted. It's not bad. It's just not a scent that I would like. I'll have to look up the scent notes, but I don't think I'll care for that. And then because I have the Glass House fragrance holder, it holds like these fragrance sticks, but it doesn't go in oil. I get the refills. I get One Night in Rio, the Taha Affair, which I have right now, and it's really good. This has like some nice vanilla in it. And then Lost in Amalfi, which is like a limoncello kind of scent. All right, so let me know your thoughts. What were you most excited about? Did you pick any of these items? I'm most excited about that Frio device, actually, so I'm super excited to check that out. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.